What if Mercedes took one of its legendary sports cars and turned it into one of the most luxurious convertibles ever built? Meet the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach SL Mythos Series, a roadster that mixes extreme luxury, bold design, and serious performance in a way we've never seen before. But does this ultra-exclusive machine actually live up to the Maybach name? Let's take a closer look. The 2025 Mercedes-Maybach SL Mythos Series is Mercedes-Benz's bold new entry into the ultra-luxury convertible segment. Built on the latest SL Roadster platform, this car blends the performance heritage of the SL with the handcrafted luxury that Maybach is famous for. In today's U.S. market, where high-end buyers are always looking for exclusive, limited production cars, the Mythos series is already generating huge buzz. It represents Mercedes' vision of the ultimate open-top Grand Tourer, powerful, elegant, and incredibly rare. But beyond the stunning design and Maybach branding, what really makes this car special? Let's break down the features that set it apart. The 2025 Mercedes-Maybach SL Mythos Series instantly stands out with a design that blends sporty aggression with unmistakable Maybach elegance. Up front, the signature Maybach grille with vertical chrome slats gives the Roadster a bold and prestigious look, while the sculpted hood and sleek LED headlights add a modern, high-performance feel. The two-tone paint finish and large luxury-style wheels further highlight its exclusivity, making this convertible look more like a rolling piece of art than a traditional sports car. Inside, the cabin is where the Mythos series truly shines. The interior is wrapped in premium Nappa leather, complemented by polished metal accents, intricate stitching, and subtle Maybach branding throughout. The seats are designed for comfort as much as style, giving drivers and passengers a lounge-like experience even on longer drives. Technology also plays a major role. The car features Mercedes' latest infotainment system with a large central touchscreen, a fully digital driver display, and a high-end surround sound system that transforms every drive into a premium experience. Advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping support, and intelligent safety systems help make highway cruising smooth and stress-free. Under the hood, the Mythos series is expected to deliver serious power as well, likely using a twin-turbo V8 engine that provides strong acceleration and effortless highway performance. Despite its luxury focus, this roadster is still built on the sporty SL platform, meaning it balances comfort with thrilling performance. And with its limited production and ultra-premium finish, the Mythos series is clearly designed to stand apart from any ordinary luxury convertible. The 2025 Mercedes-Maybach SL Mythos Series is all about combining luxury, exclusivity, and performance in one stunning package. Its biggest strengths are the breathtaking design, ultra-premium interior, and the prestige that comes with the Maybach badge. However, the extremely high price and limited availability mean it won't be a practical choice for most buyers. This car is clearly built for collectors and luxury enthusiasts who want a rare, statement-making convertible. If you're looking for one of the most luxurious open-top Grand Tourers Mercedes has ever created, this Roadster definitely delivers. But what do you think? Would you choose this ultra-luxury Mercedes Roadster over something like a Bentley or Ferrari convertible? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more car reviews and comparisons.